So if you saw the repair video to this, it was quite involved. It's a set that's been reverse polarity, not helped by the fact the power socket was missing off the back, so I put a new one and we sell those anyway. And then it's to kill the audio IC, which I've recovered from a scrap Cobra. The scrap Cobra, which you can see why it's scrap, it's been underwater no doubt for quite a time. That was a matter of chasing fault on the transmitter, partly because somebody looked at the transmitter and put some transistors in wrongly. Then it caused damage to 2 coils. Anyway, we're back in the land of the living with a full 4 watt output and 0.48 microvolts on the receive for 12 decibel cyanide. It hasn't said much today. I've just done the case a bit because it was a bit too tired. I'm not one for painting cases, but this is one I decided needed it, and it shouldn't be a black front, but at some time in its life it's been nicely done black. I would have redone it silver, but the escutcheon's been glued on with a modern adhesive, and it's difficult or damaging removing it. Tango 21 test.
Try again with the right mic.
Oh, it's right, that is it.
Yeah, roger. Right, you ready?
I'll just do my music speaker.
Yeah, let me know when you're ready.
Right, we're now on external speaker.
Yep, roger that. Off we go.
Roger Dodger.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that. And I don't have a tone control on this radio.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger. Passing Ancaster service station, and it's still open. 144.9, 149.9.
That's wonderful.
Roger. Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner, Wilson.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Commtron CB27 from 1982, and I'm using standard replay supply. It's doing full forward now.
Yep, roger that. All received. It do seem a little bit noisy than normal, but we'll see how the 5 mile point goes.
Roger on that.
Level crossing. Over. Passing the Kelby turn. Over. Passing the Greatleys turn. Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point. Yep, roger that. I am hearing you on full power, but only just, and no chance on low power. Yeah, I'm not sure what you said then. Yep, roger that.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So I'm on this Commtron CB40F from 1982, doing full 4 watts and drawing 930 milliamps. I'm going to pop it onto low power. I've set that for 400 milliwatts as it should be. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we're on low power doing 400 milliamps and drawing 430 milliamps. Back to full power, and there we are back on full power over.
Yep, roger that. I am hearing you on full power, but only just, and no chance on low power.
Roger on that. I can only put that down to the fact that the trees are in full leaf, etc.
Yeah, I'm not sure what you said then.
Not good. Off you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger that.
Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, 146.9 and 149.9. Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end, please, over?
Yep, 146.9 and 149.9.
Roger on that. Well, it's nice to get both petrol stations in. It worked fine from my end. Can only put it down to trees and all the leaves at full at the moment, with us being in the peak of summer. So there we are. 10-10, thank you.
Yep, roger that.
10-10. Okay. Well, that worked fine from this end. So you've got trees and that in full leaf at the moment. I've got corners high as an elephant's eye, as the song says. So yeah, we'll stick that one on eBay, and let's go through to our base station and see what it sounds like. And usually it sounds very good.
Tango 21, testing the Commtron CB40F into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop it onto low power. It's a hum test, but these sets don't suffer from that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then back onto normal power, 4 watts. Got a York A63 type immaculate in a box come in. Customer for service. I think it's got to be demodified. And what else? Oh yeah, we need to look at that Pi Westminster, which I said was an old radio, two-way radio business one from late 1960s, early 1970s. Got a full service manual for that. I also want to look at those two books which are available on converting old business radios into ham radios. So there you go, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that.